Good morning. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. It is Saturday morning. This is the very end of our week 1 of 2026 cycle 2. So we've got an ab burner routine this morning at 45 seconds. Yesterday I misstated. I think I mentioned that I was in the 50-second range. Not there yet. So we'll be doing 45 seconds for probably this week and another couple weeks after that. And then we're going to up it to 50 seconds regardless of whether I'm feeling like I'm ready or not. I think once we hit the 45-second mark, things are just not as easy as they are below that. So not sure that I'll ever feel like that I'll be able to increase. So we're gonna move it up to 50 seconds here in a couple more weeks, and then we'll see how that works out. So anyway, let's hit the ab burner. We'll go on a walk, and we'll come back and chat, and then we'll be done with Saturday and done with this week's workout. Or this week's workouts. So then next week we will hit it again on Monday, and Monday will be an upper body workout, and it's the incremental phase, so we'll be at 4 sets of 9. And mentioned last Monday how I think I was a little overzealous with the weight I chose, 165. Could do that for 8, probably can do that for 9 and 10. I'm thinking I'm gonna start struggling when I get over 10 though. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens there. Anyway, let's hit this ab burner routine, head out on our walk, then we'll come back and chat, and then we'll see you in a bit. So let's do this. Let's hit it. Saturday's done. We've got Saturday in the books, so she's done. She got the ab burner in the books, a 45-second ab burner, 15 core related exercises at 45 seconds apiece, and no rest between. Just a transition. So I took a slower pace between, and I wouldn't say I lagged. I just didn't. I don't know how to explain it. I just wasn't abrupt about my transition. I was a little bit slower with my transition and methodically trying to make it through and do each exercise with authority, make sure and do them right. So felt like I did pretty good this time. The old knee circles and lower lifts, those are my 2 gauges, and while they were still a little bit of stress on the old abs and hip flexors, they weren't unbearable. I think I could have gone 5 more seconds. So that's looking good for the next couple weeks at 45 and then moving on to 50. So we'll see what it feels like next week, and maybe we'll move a week early. So 1 more week at 45 and we'll gauge it then, and then maybe we'll move to 50 following week, or do another week at 40, 2 more weeks at 45 and then start 50. So either way, I think in 3 weeks I'm gonna start 50 seconds no matter what. So anyway, we got her done. Saturday is done. Week 1 is done. Just got my walk tomorrow. Then Monday we'll hit her again. All again in the incremental phase again. We're 4 sets of 9 next week. So looking forward to that and see how that progresses. So anyway, you guys have a great Saturday and a great weekend. You guys take care, be safe, get some longevity training in, and meet age with grace. We'll see y'all later. Take care.